Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. In today's video, I'm making one of my own sweet cheesecake creations and it's coming right up. Today I'm making a caramel cheesecake and I'm using the humble classic caramel slice as my inspiration. So the first step is to make your base, of course. Now here I have a 22cm cheesecake tin and I already have baked the base in here. Now if you haven't already seen my classic caramel slice video, I've used exactly the same base that I have in that recipe for my cheesecake. Simple, plain flour, brown sugar, coconut and butter, mix it together, bake it in the oven for 15 minutes and it's just a stunning base. Now that that's cooled down thoroughly though, it's time to make the cheesecake filling. Now this is literally so easy. I'm using my mixer today and in my bowl I'm adding a couple of packets here of cream cheese. To this I'm going to add some vanilla extract, of course, because vanilla makes everything better when you bake. And one more thing, a tin of caramel top and fill. Okay, pop that in. Now, I've never tried to make this with my own homemade caramel, and I dare say if you do go to the extent of making your own caramel, it might be better. But for today, I'm pressed for time, so I'm just using a tin of that top and fill. Okay, that's it. Now I'm just going to beat these together until they're smooth. That mixture is looking really nice and smooth. Now, while that was beating, I've been dissolving some gelatin powder here in some boiling water. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop the beater back on, gradually add the gelatin to my mixture, and then the cheesecake filling will be done. How easy has this recipe been? I'm just pouring that beautiful caramel mixture in on top of my base now. And that's it, that's done. I'm going to pop this in the fridge for most of the day, preferably overnight, so it will set completely. And then I'm going to decorate the top. Now, how you decorate the top is completely up to you. I'm using the caramel slice as my inspiration, so I'm going to make a dark chocolate ganache and just pour that on top once I've finished. But you can make it as easy as you want. You might just want to melt some milk chocolate and just drizzle some on top. You can even put white chocolate on top, some nuts, some salted caramel. It's completely up to you. Very versatile recipe. And it depends who you're making it for. You might want to use their favorite chocolate as a decoration for the top. So if you want to make my caramel cheesecake, don't forget to check out the link to my website that's in the description box below. From there, click on my Cakes and Cheesecakes tab and you'll find this delicious recipe. Don't forget, if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, or better still, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that way you'll always get a little notification every time I've done a new video release. And I'll see you next time.